How to create a Facebook page auto replies. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Nina and let's get started. Open up any of your web browser and get logged into your Facebook page. Now go on to this Meta Business Suite on your left side. Again, you want to click onto Inbox in your fifth menu. Once you're at this page, click onto Automation on the top bar and click onto Instant Reply to try it. Scroll below and under message, you will see here is an automated message for you. If you want to go ahead with this message, you can go and click on save, or else you can create your own text. And once you have done that, click onto this box of messenger on the channel and scroll below and go to save changes. And once it's successfully saved, this is how you add your auto replies in Facebook page. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on how to manage your page, then do like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next upload.